Hi everyone, let's see how we can fix the file that cannot be previewed error in Microsoft Outlook. To get started, simply go to File when the Outlook is open, then go to its option. From here, click on Trust Center, then click on Trust Center Settings, then go to Attachment Handling. Now if this option is checkmarked, simply uncheck it and click on OK. Now go to the General tab. Here you'll get the option of Optimize for compatibility. Simply checkmark this option, click on OK and see whether you get the error further or not. However, if you still get the error, then proceed ahead with the next shown steps. Go to the properties of the downloaded attachment file. You'll get to see an option of unblock. Simply checkmark this box and click on apply and then OK. Now open Microsoft Word. Go to options. Go to Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. Then go to Protected View. Here you'll find 3 options checkmarked. Simply uncheck them. Click on OK and see whether you get the error or not. Now once you preview the file, come back here again and check mark all these boxes. This is very important from security point of view. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more such tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.